Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a draping effect um, in 3ds Max using Tyflow. Um, and you can potentially use this for your architectural designs and all sorts of things really. But let's go. So first thing is to basically bring out Tyflow, right? And what really is going on here is basically I made a plane, which is going to be the ground, and then a building on top, and then a cloth, which is another plane on top, right? And then go into Tyflow and just open up the editor. Uh, and the first thing you want to do is bring out birth objects, right? So I've already done that here. And then simply go to this one and then pick this this plane. But before you do that, make sure that this cloth plane has this amount of segments, not too much and not too little, because if it's too much, your computer will most likely crash, but if it's too little, you won't really get the cloth effect that you would desire. But you can then, of course, change it up. You just have to play with it. I found that these values are pretty good, so I'm going to use that instead. Um, yeah, and then the next thing we want to do is go to where is it? Cloth bind. I'll just use the good old tab. Uh, Cloth bind. There you go. There, and then do collision here, collision, and then also do force. Yep, cool. And the thing we want to do is, pick the collision. So we want to pick this, the building, and then also pick the ground plane. After we've done that, we want to use force as well. So we ideally just have it around, I don't know, really depends on you, but I think around negative 0.5 is good enough, I guess. Because you're gonna be dragging this timestamp anyway, so it's not really that big of a deal. Oh yeah, and also don't forget to pick the cloth. So yeah, there you go, picking the cloth. And then after that, you can hide the plane. So it'll appear like this. And then once you just start playing it, it will just do its thing. So we just hide this. There you go. Yeah, so you can, pause it at like different points of your desired. I think that's pretty nice, right? And what I was initially going to do anyway is to just get rid of this ball. So I'm going to hide this, and then this geometry can become some form of canopy or something, right? That would be pretty cool. Like this, so you get these openings like that, some sort of interesting tectonic, and then maybe you can get the bevel and then just lower the heights potentially, maybe to 30 meters, something like that. There you go. Now it's got like a nice little space. So yeah, that is basically all there is to it. And if you want to extract the mesh, all you have to do is find mesh, put that in, yep. And then once you've done that, just do untick render only, um, and then just minimize something, and then right click and then convert this to a editable poly. And then now the Tyflow symbol is gone, and the only thing that's left is this this geometry. And so we can bring that down like it was before, change it to, I don't know, white. White is nice. Maybe a black in the middle. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, yeah, that is all. Thanks for watching.